So over here inside of SketchUp, what you can also do is you can go ahead and import out your CAD scenes. So you can go ahead and use that as a reference to go ahead and draw out the model as you need. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto the File menu and then go around over here and click on Import. Once you do that, you can go around over here, navigate to the folder where you have your particular CAD design. Let's say, for example, I have it right here, and then click on import right here, and it goes ahead and calculates out all the details as you can see right here. And as you click on close, the CAD design is imported out right here, just like this. So this CAD design right here is imported out as a group, and you can see that I have the side view of the house as well, and then you can see the bottom floor, the top floor, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. So let's say I just want to go ahead and then keep one of the floor right here. In that case, you can go ahead, right click, and explode out the content. Once you do that, you can see that these actually turn into individual lines now. So you can go ahead and select out the ones that you want. Let's say, for example, this one right here. Let's just go ahead and select this out and right click, and you can go ahead and make this into a group right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and keep this one, so I can go ahead right here and make this into a group as well. So there are other content right here. I can simply go ahead right here and delete it out right here, just like this, as you can see. What I don't want, I simply can delete it, and I can go ahead and move this out over here into place right here, just like this right here. So now I can do the same with these ones as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, even go ahead and rotate it out as I want right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and place out the reference as you want. But I just want the bottom floor right here, so I can simply go ahead and delete this out, just like this as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and then that is how you can bring in the CAD model. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and click and drag out the file directly, and then you get the same option right here to import out the content right here. So this is simply how you can go ahead and import out your CAD file for reference inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.